Surely right here once again. Like I said earlier on, that by 2 p.m. we're going to be talking about investment strategies for the year 2020. And I just did something, guys. I actually sent a broadcast on my WhatsApp, social media that I was going to be talking about the internet and social media security by 2 p.m. rather than saying by 12 p.m. So if you're watching this video right now and you want to watch the video I did on the internet and social media security tips for 2022, then please just go and watch the replay. All right, just go and watch the replay. The replay is on Facebook, Kesho Concept or Kesho University. It's on LinkedIn, Gabriel Showale. It's on YouTube, Kesho Concept or Kesho University. So please go watch the replay right now, and you'll be able to get that. It was a fantastic session. We learned a lot on how to safeguard our accounts, how to prevent our accounts, from being hacked. So there was a lot that was learned, during that session. So if you missed that session, we had it by, 12 noon today. Just simply after this video, you want to scroll up or down and you'll see the replay right there. So just take your time. It's just an hour, session that we had, 12 to 1, and it was fantastic. So go watch the video if you missed the video on the internet and social media security tips. It was supposed to be for 12 p.m., but on the broadcast sent, it was showing 2 p.m. So for 2 p.m., what we actually have is investment strategies for the year 2022. What to do regarding investing, okay, in the year 2022. Because trust me, guys, your salary is not going to make you a billionaire. Your savings is not going to make you a billionaire. It is investing. You have to get to the stage where you become an investor. Okay, that is what's going to make you a billionaire in the year 2022. Okay, so we want to talk about what are the things that we can do, or what can we invest in? How do we get started, investing in 2022? The first thing that you need to know when it comes to investment is that you have to get knowledge. Everybody type get knowledge in the comment section. Okay? Get knowledge. That is the first thing that you need to. You need to get knowledge. Okay? So a lot of people say, I invested in my money into one investment platform or whatever it is, and then they end up, swindling the money. They can't find their money, the investment, everything gone. The problem is that you've not gotten knowledge regarding that industry you're investing in. Okay? So many people say, oh, I invested into crypto, and it's like crypto was waiting for me to invest. When I invested in crypto, it just started crashing. Blah, 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 blah. Why won't it crash? It's crashing because you didn't get knowledge. All right. So maybe at the time you were investing, because we have something called demand and supply. So at the time you were investing, it probably reached, the highest demand it could get. And once demand start falling, what happens to price? It start coming down. Okay, you have to get knowledge, study the charts, know what's going on with the currency, with the crypto coin before you just put your money there. So number one thing for investment strategy in this year 2022 is that you must get knowledge. Okay, type knowledge in the chat box. Everybody type knowledge in the chat box. Type get knowledge, get knowledge, get knowledge. Okay, a lot of you are not willing to spend 200,000 naira learning something, but you are willing to invest 1 million naira in something, hoping that you will get a return. Hoping. That's what we do. We just hope that it will work. I just hope, I hope this will work. I hope it will not just go sour. I hope it will work. You cannot hope when it comes to your finances. Okay. There is no hoping anywhere. You have to be deliberate about it. You have to be deliberate about it. Okay? So get knowledge. So get knowledge. Get knowledge. Whatever it is you're trying, if it's real estate, if it's forex, if it's crypto, if it's stocks, shares, whatever it is you want to invest in, number one thing is to get knowledge. All right. So even before I start sharing different areas you can invest in, I want to I want to set this on the ground. I want you to understand this because a lot of you just want to learn. What should I invest in? What should I invest in? But the first thing you need to do is to actually get knowledge on what you want to invest in. Okay? Get knowledge on what you want to invest in. All right, guys. So if you're enjoying this video, I want you to make sure that you share this video right now. Share this video as many times as you can on Facebook, on YouTube, on WhatsApp. Share it as many times. Let others get this information. This is valuable information given to you for free, guys. Okay? So you don't want to be stingy about it. You want to make sure that you share. Let others also get the information. Okay? So, number two, get a mentor. Number two, get what? A mentor. Get a mentor. Everybody type in mentor in the chat box right now. Type in mentor, 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 mentor. Number two, get a mentor. There is no billionaire that I have seen that doesn't have a mentor. Okay? There is no one who has made it in life or who has achieved success that doesn't have a mentor, that doesn't have somebody they look up to, that doesn't have somebody that they look forward to for advice. Okay? Get a mentor. It is very, very, very key. In the investment area that you're trying to go into, make sure that you get a mentor. Make sure that you get a mentor. It's very, very key. Why? Your mentor has gone through all the mistakes that you are supposed to go through. All right. And he or she is going to tell you, hey, don't do this. I did it this way and it gave me a bad result. So I did it this way and it gave me the right result. So do it this way. Okay. That is the job of a mentor. A mentor guides you and makes your journey faster. Okay. A mentor guides you and makes your journey very, very fast. So you want to make sure that you get a mentor. In this year, 2022, get a mentor. Get a mentor. If you're going to get a mentor this 2022, type I will get a mentor in the comment section. Type it right now. If you're watching on Facebook, on YouTube, on LinkedIn, type I will get a mentor. Come on, guys. Type I will get a mentor. It is very, very, very crucial that you get one. Okay. It's going to save you a lot of money. A lot of people have lost money just because they did not get a mentor, just because they were trying to do it with their own knowledge, thinking, oh, if I do it this way, oh, I should be able to get this. And they just keep guessing and guessing and guessing. There is nothing in this life that you want to do. I'm talking to you. There is nothing in this life that you want to do that somebody else has not done. Eh? There is nothing in this life that you want to do that someone else hasn't done. Okay? And what is the wise thing to do? The wise thing to do is go and meet that person. Okay? Ask the person, oh, I also want to go into this thing. Can I, get mentorship from you? Okay? Can I get mentorship from you? How do I go about it? What do I do? How do I start? And you will notice that all the process and the time you're supposed to be, looking to make mistakes, make losses, this happens to that happens to that, you just find out that everything is cut off and you are fast. You're already where you want to be. Everything is moving very fast. Okay, so a mentor helps you to turn a 1 year journey into, 3 months. And you're already there. And then people will wonder, how did he do this? How did he do this? I remember before I started my company, I was working as an intern, in an organization. Actually, in my, mentors organization, Dr. Stephen Akintayo. I don't know how many of you know him. One of my great mentors, all right? Okay, and I learned a lot. Some of the things I'm doing now, I actually learned it from him. I didn't have to go through all the mistakes that he went through. I didn't have to, make all the mistakes, spend all the unnecessary money trying to get results. I already know what is working, so I'm just doing what is working. That's it. And that's how we're able to get here. Okay. So this year, make sure that you get a mentor. It is very, very key. Okay. The third point I'm going to mention is kind of similar to having a mentor. Okay. But I want to just classify it as another point. Okay. I want to classify it as another point. And what's that point? It is that you start reading. Okay. Start reading. It is now, it's no more story. It is no more news that in Africa we don't like to read. Okay. It is no more news in Africa. We don't like to read. In Africa, we don't just like it. They say you want to hide, something valuable from a black man, put it in a book. You will never find it. Okay. This year, you want to make sure that you start reading. Now, let me tell you one secret, though. Don't tell anybody. Okay. Me that you are seeing here. Before now, I also don't like to read. Okay. I also don't like to read. But immediately I knew that that was the secret to the success of billionaires that I'm looking up to. All right. I just had no choice. I had to start reading. Okay. I had to start reading. Okay. So this year, you want to make sure that you are reading. It's very important too. I can't tell you so many treasures I've discovered in just reading a book. And I told you that it's kind of similar to the previous point I gave you, which is getting a mentor. Okay, how is it tied together? There are some mentorship that you might not be able to access now. For example, you want your mentor to be someone like maybe Robert Kiyosaki. All right, it's far away in the United States. In fact, they will even contact him and say, "Oh, I want you to be my mentor," and he tells you to bring, $50,000 for one-on-one mentorship. And then, yeah, where will I see $50,000? This man, he don't know that if you convert this money to naira, it will be running to so many zeros. Okay. So in that case, what do you do? Every single book that he has ever written, you want to make sure that you go and buy everything, every single thing. Because let me tell you one secret. Success usually leave clues. Okay. Success usually leave clues. All right. So if you see somebody that is successful, if you watch the person very well, if you study the person very well, you will note that there are some clues the person is giving you if you're trying to get to where that person is also. Okay. I mean, and one place to find those clues is in their books. In their books. Okay. In fact, someone like Bill Gates has not written any book, okay, to tell you that, oh, this is how I made all my billions. Someone like Dangote has not written any book to let you know that, oh, this is how I've done this and done that. So the few billionaires that wrote books and shared how they were able to become billionaire, what is stopping you from going all the way out to get those books and say whatever it is that these people wrote in this book, I must implement everything and get the same result? Okay, that is where their treasures are. Okay, so if you're trying to make someone a mentor, you can't reach the person and the person has written it. Go and get the book. Start reading. Okay, start reading. You will discover a lot. My life has transformed just by reading sometimes I'm reading a book, I'm like, how can this person mention this type of thing in this book? This person has already revealed all the secrets. Okay, today we run a full-time digital marketing agency. We run a university called Casio Concept where we do trainings. We are into real estate. We are now into forex trading. I mean, how was I able to be able to start all of this business and succeed in it? It was by reading, by having mentors, studying what they are doing, and following the exact thing they are doing. Copy and paste, and then just add my own Jara on top, the pasted version. That's it. Okay. So you want to make sure that you start reading. So if you have been lazy to read, okay, you want to make sure that you start reading. And if you know that you start reading this year, I want you to comment right now and say, I will start reading. Okay? Because the reason why I told you to type it there is that you are putting a sense of commitment here. As you are typing it here, in the comment section, everybody is seeing it. All right. So at the end of this year, if you did not read any book, we will come back to this comment section and say, see, you said you were going to read this year. So it is to keep yourself accountable. So type in the comment section right now that I will start reading. Type right now, I will start reading. Type in the comment section, I will start reading this year. Okay? Fantastic. Great. Awesome. Okay, so now let's talk about, now that we know the foundation. The foundation is number one, get a mentor. Number two, start reading. Number three, get trainings. All right, so that was actually number one. Number one, get training. Number two, get a mentor. Number three, start reading. Okay, start reading. Even if it's 1 hour a day, start reading. It is very, very key and crucial. Okay, so now let's talk about the different areas where you can make investment for 2022. I don't know about, previous years, but for this 2022, you should be investing in these areas. If you're not investing in these areas, you're totally missing it. Number one is real estate. Everybody type in real estate. Type real estate. Number one, real estate. Okay? Type in real estate in the comment section. Real estate. That's the number one thing you need to start investing in. Show me a billionaire and I will show you their real estate, investment. It's as simple as that. Show me a billionaire and I'll show you their real estate investment. There's virtually no billionaire today that doesn't have, an equity of sorts in real estate. Okay? Talk about Bill Gates, Dangote, all of them, real estate. They're into real estate. And remember what I shared with you the first time is that you study what the billionaires are doing if you want to become a billionaire. All right. And from my study of billionaires, I noticed that these guys are investing heavily in real estate. Okay. In short, what made one of my mentors, a billionaire today is real estate. It was when he started real estate that he became a billionaire. Okay. Why? Real estate is the most safest and stable investment that you can ever do. Okay. And no matter how bad the real estate investment is, it will keep appreciating. Okay. Did you hear what I just said now? No matter how bad the real estate investment is in terms of the location and where you chose, it will still appreciate. Okay. But it might not appreciate as fast as you expected, but at least your money cannot go down. Rather than going down, it's going up. That is real estate for you. Okay? So you must make sure that you start investing in real estate, no matter how small it is. No matter how small it is, start investing. They are selling land of 500,000 naira in one bush like that. Start investing. The reason why people that didn't invest 20 years ago are now regretting now and saying, everywhere has turned to CTO, and this place that was bush before, this place that was clinical before, he's now CTO, he's now this. So it is because they didn't make the decision to invest 20 years ago. Okay? In real estate, you don't wait to buy, you actually buy and wait. It's simple. So that's where people get it wrong. People want to wait first and see, let me see whether development will come to this area, and then you're watching. And then by the time you watch for 5 years, by the time you're not ready and say, development has come, you now want to buy the land. They're telling you to go and bring, 40 million naira. And you're now wondering, where will I get 40 million naira? Where will I get this amount? It's too much. Land is too expensive in this Lekki Sef. Land is too expensive in this Ikoyi. Land is too expensive on this Ikeja. It's too this, it's too that. It is because you were waiting to buy. In real estate, you don't wait to buy. You buy and wait. Okay? You buy and wait. That is what is called land banking. Land banking is simply buying a piece of land for the sole purpose of waiting for it to appreciate before you now resell that land. Okay? That is simply what land banking is all about. Okay, so number one, you want to invest in real estate. Don't worry if where you want to invest in looks like bush, if it looks like there's nobody there, if it looks like as if something is going on, just buy. Keep it. Okay? Keep it. Real estate will always appreciate. Okay? Because over time, that same place you are buying for 500,000 naira now, in the next 10 years, is going to be worth 20 something million. And what kind of other investment will give you that kind of huge amount that is not high risk? It is real estate. Okay? It is real estate. Why does Tinubu own almost half of Lagos State? It's real estate. He understands this. So when you see somebody that is rich, don't envy them. Just check what are they doing? What are they investing in? What are they putting their money in? That is how you begin to become a billionaire too. You don't start envying somebody and say, what does he even think like? Don't be showing off, showing off every time. Showing us his private jet, showing us his this, showing us his that, showing us. Were you there when he was investing and buying bush? Were you there? So, number one thing that you must take into account, if you have not been thinking of it before, it doesn't matter what age you are, as long as you're earning money, you have money that you have started earning, start thinking of real estate. It is one of the things that you need to invest in. Okay, it is one of the things. I remember my first property that I bought. Okay, I bought for like, how much did I even buy it? Like 550,000 or something. Okay, the land now is worth 2 point something million. Okay, and so on and so forth like that. Just buy another land there, buy another land there. So I just keep buying, keep buying, keep buying. That's real estate for you. You keep buying, keep buying. It's the best retirement plan. Bam. Retirement plan, the best. Those are that when you want to retire like this, if you just sell one of those lands, bam, you are settled for life. And you can now have something to give to your children. Okay. So one of the investment strategies that can quickly make you a billionaire, okay, in year 2022 is investing in real estate. Investing in real estate. Okay. You can invest, in any company that you wish to invest in. All right. We at Kisho Properties, we look for lands that will give you high returns on your investment in a quick, in a short time, in a quick period. Okay, but you don't have to buy from Kisho Properties. If you can buy somewhere else, just make sure that the company is credible. Just make sure they are credible. Don't go and buy land where they you understand now. Okay, great. So that is number one. Number two area where you should be investing in the year 2022, okay, that would multiply your money fast is forex trading. Okay, is the forex market. All right, so I know when most people hear forex, say, forex, jackpot, you run, pian. Okay, you do, fish, you run, yeah. I've told you already. The problem is that you did not do number one. Who can remind me what number one is? Type it in the chat box. What is number one? Tell me what is number one under the three basics I gave you before I started sharing the investment strategies. What is number one? What did I say number one? That is where most of you have issues in. What is number one? Tell me number one in the chat box. Type it in the comment section. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Okay. What is number one? Okay. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I want this to be as engaging as possible. Okay. This is a class, so we have to engage with each other. You have to let me know that you are following me. Okay. So what is number one? What is number one? What did I mention as number one? Great. I said learn, get learning, start learning, get learning, start learning. Okay. That is number one. That's where the problem is. So most of you want to invest, you want to start trading forex, but you've not gotten knowledge. Okay, you've not gotten knowledge. You don't have any knowledge about forex trading. Okay, so I mentioned three basics. I said number one, learn, get a training. Number two, get a mentor. Number three, start reading. Those were the foundational basics I gave you. All right. Then the number one is real estate. Now, number two is forex market. Okay, the forex market. You can make a lot in the forex market, but you need the right knowledge. You need to get training. Okay, you need to get training. That is where most people miss it. Okay, forex trading can make you a lot of money. All right, it can make you a lot of money, but you need to get training. Some people just budge into it, and because somebody posted that, oh, in 1 month I was able to transform $1,000 into $10,000. Okay, and anyways, I've actually done that. Okay, I've done that in forex trading. Okay, so but if I post that kind of thing, that doesn't just mean that you just grab that post and say, 1,000 to $10,000 in 1 month. Hey! Oh yeah. Let me go and start trading. You now go. Enter, create account, put money, start trading. And then I started to say, hey, it's going money, hey, money, oh, it's going on red. Boah. Now say, forex is witch, it's bad. No, I can never trade forex in my life again. I've lost money in forex. Hey, big. It is because you didn't get the right training. Okay, you didn't get the right training. If you get the right training and you have a mentor, okay, you won't lose money in the forex market. All right, you will understand what stop loss is. You will understand what risk management is. You will understand what your take profit is. You understand what lot size is. You understand what leverage is. You understand, how to manage your risk to reward ratio. Make sure that your profit is always higher than any loss you make. All these things you will understand if you have training and you have a mentor. And when you are now entering the forex market, you are entering confidently. You are entering any trade confidently, knowing that, oh, I've done all my analysis very well. I've followed the checklist. I've done this. I've done that. And everything looks good. Okay? So that is the number two thing you need to invest in this year 2022. Forex. So if you don't even know anything about Forex, it's no problem. Just start getting knowledge from it. You can start watching YouTube videos, you can try out all the free ways you can get from. You can check out our YouTube channel too. Who knows, I might release a video on Forex training and show you how to do some stuff in Forex. Maximize all the ways that you can learn from. Okay. And if you need to pay, go and learn, pay and go and learn. Okay. There's something that can help you transform $1,000 to $10,000. And you don't want to pay for that thing. You are looking for free way that you used to be able to get that. It cannot work. You need to understand that you have to start investing in yourself too. Okay? And you invest in yourself by getting training. That's how it's been done. Okay, guys, so if you are getting value from this, please type in value in the comment section right now. Type in value. I'm getting value in the chat box right now. And I want you to share this video. Okay, I'm giving out valuable information here. So make sure you share this video to your friends on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on YouTube. Share this video wherever you're watching. Some people are watching from YouTube here. Some people are watching from Facebook. Some people are watching from LinkedIn. Share this video right now. Share. And if you're getting value, type I'm getting value in the comment section right now. Type I'm getting value. Awesome. Fantastic. Okay. So these are the areas where you want to start investing in the year 2022. So forex investment is high risk. Okay. And when something is high risk, it has the potential of, giving you high returns on investment, or it can totally erase, all your investments. And that's why I told you that you need to get knowledge. You need to get knowledge. By the ending of this month, we're going to be, having our first Forex training right here, okay, in January, right from our office here. It's going to be an online class. So you want to make sure that you participate in that training, okay? I'm going to be dropping my WhatsApp number on the comment section. So if you're interested in anything or the training, you can always chat me up on WhatsApp. Okay, so my WhatsApp in the comment section. Okay, so you want to make sure you on WhatsApp, get details about this. We're going to be doing a Forex training. Okay, where we'll be showing you how you can trade the Forex market just with 9 minutes of your time. 9 minutes. 9 minutes. So this makes it different from other trainings, is that you don't have to spend all your time every single day looking at the Forex chart and be asking yourself, hey, should he move? Should Abiko move? Yeah, when is he going to move? Has he moved? Has he not moved? No. For example, someone like me trading the Forex market, I don't have the time to sit down and be looking at the chart all through the day. I have so many things I do. I have to attend to, our real estate subsidiary, attend to the Forex subsidiary, attend to the university subsidiary, attend to the digital agency subsidiary. So I'm a very busy person, travel around, a lot of time. So where will I have the time to sit down, and start watching the Forex charts? All right. And then that's why, with the help of God, I got a strategy. And that strategy just takes 9 minutes of my time to enter that trade. Just 9 minutes. For the sniper strategy. Enter and I'm out instantly. Okay. And then I can continue with, my day-to-day business. And nobody will know that I just entered the Forex market. And that's the strategy we're going to be sharing in that session. All right. It's going to be a 1 week, training from Monday to Friday. It's going to be via Zoom online. Okay. So you can participate and join from anywhere you are in the world. Okay. So if you're interested in that, you can chat me on WhatsApp. It's in the comment section. Okay. And, my team will get back to you to let you know how you can, start with the training. Okay. Number 3 thing you should invest in the year 20. So number 1 is real estate. Number 2 is the Forex market. All right. And then number 3 is to invest in, other people's business. All right. To invest in other people's business. Other people's business. Okay. These are the secrets of billionaires. Invest in other people's business. What do I mean by that? Okay. Look for a thriving business that is making profits. They can show you their books. We've made this profit this year. We made this profits last year, the year before. You can see the consistency in the cash flow, the profits and everything. Put your money in that kind of business. Have a contract that you'll be getting so amount of percentage from the profit every year, every quarter, or whatever the agreement is. Okay, this is how billionaires are made. Warren Buffett, I can't count the number of businesses Warren Buffett has shares in or has, equity in. All right. That is what makes Warren Buffett today. All he does is look for businesses that have potential, but, their share value or their share price is not equivalent to what it's supposed to be. Okay. For example, looking for a company, a startup company, maybe a tech company. Okay, I'm not even knew that Warren Buffett invested in was it Uber? Yeah, I think it was Uber. Okay, when Uber was just getting started. Okay, before Uber became what it is today. All right, he looked at it, saw that, oh, this is a great plan. Oh, this is a great business idea. I think this business has the potential of becoming greater than what it is, in the future. And he invested in it, okay, while he can. And at that point, these guys are willing to just, get anybody that can invest in their business, okay? They're willing to get anybody that can invest in their business. Some will give you as high as 30% of their business stake and say, okay, if you invest, 20 million in this business, we're going to give you 20% of the profit. We're going to give you 30% of our profit every year. We're going to give you 50%. Some will say 50%. All right. And that's why you see, some organizations organize things like Dragon's Den, in the UK, and then Lion's Den in Nigeria here. Okay. And you see people, what's the program about? They'll come with their business idea, they will pitch it, to the investors who are seated. The investor listens to the business and say, oh, ask them a few questions. How much profit have you made? Oh, how do you do your business? How do you do this? How do you do that? And at the end, they decide if they are investing in that business or not. And in that same pitch, you'll be hearing negotiations like, oh, okay, I'll give you 10 million for 20% of the stake in the business. And if somebody is collecting 20% stake in the business, it means whatever profit that person makes in the business, 20% goes to the investor. Okay. And imagine you now have businesses like that are up to 20, that are up to 50, and you're getting 20% from all of this business every year. Imagine how much you'll be making. Okay, guys, what I'm sharing with you are secrets. You are supposed to pay for this training actually, and I'm just doing it for free. Okay, so if you know you're getting value, please share this video now. Share this video now. Okay, make sure you're not the only one enjoying this. Don't be selfish. Share this video now. Share it as much as you can. Share it 5 times, 10 times, 20 times, 50 times. Keep sharing. All right, let others gain access to this information. Okay, so number 1, again, invest in real estate. Number 2, in forex trading. Okay, number 3 is invest in other people's business. And a good way to do this is by investing, in their shares. All right. So if you're not an angel investor or a venture capitalist, and you don't want to invest directly by meeting with the CEO of the company and discussing and signing a contract, if you just want to invest, actually a company that's already gone big, you might just buy their shares. Okay. For example, MTN recently sold their shares. All right. And I also got some of it. All right. Because the value of the shares is actually lower than what MTN is worth. And that's why I invested in it. That's why I said you need knowledge, you need mentorship. All of this, I got them from, having mentors and, seeking knowledge, reading books, doing all of these things. Okay. So it is very, very crucial that you get knowledge, get training, and have a mentor. It is very, very, very crucial. Okay. If you are getting value from this, type I'm getting value, I'm getting value, I'm getting value, I'm getting value. Awesome, 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 awesome. Now, first, I've told you the basics you need to know, and I mentioned 3 things in that area. I said, number 1, you must get training. Number 2, you must start reading. Number 3, you must get a mentor. All right. And then I moved from there to what are the areas we can invest in this year 2022. And I mentioned 3 areas. Okay. Number 1, I mentioned that you should invest in real estate. Number 2, I mentioned that you should invest in forex. Number 3, I mentioned that you should invest in other people's business. All right. So now let me talk about what strategy can I employ to meet up with this investment. Okay. How do I start? How do I go about it? What do I do? Okay. Number 1, start saving. Number 1, start saving. Start saving. A lot of us have not been saving. Hey, start saving. And when I say saving, I don't mean you will save and save and save forever. Okay? The saving I'm talking about is you're saving towards an investment goal. Okay? So don't get it wrong. Don't go and pack all your entire life, earnings and just keep them in the bank and don't use it to do anything. Okay? So, but in order for you to invest in these three areas that I've spoken about, you need a saving. You need savings. All right. So, for example, now you want to invest in real estate, get a land, and they tell you that, oh, 0.5 million, and the location is very good. Everything seems right about that. Okay. Where are you going to get the money to invest if you don't have any savings? Okay. So you are saving for your investment, projects. That's the saving I'm talking about. So you need to start saving. Don't eat with all your 5 fingers. You receive money from your business, you make profit from your business, have a particular percentage that goes into savings, so that when investment opportunities come, you have something tangible in your account to use to make that investment. Okay, so start saving. You're making 100,000 naira a month. Start putting 40,000 naira somewhere. Okay, and then live on the remaining one. Pay your tithes. Do school fees, do everything, feed the family with the remaining one. All right, you're earning 1 million in a month. Start saving. Put the money aside. Take like 600K, put it somewhere. Spend only 400,000 naira. All right, so start saving. It is very, very important, because this is the only way you can take opportunities that come your way. For example, now a lot of people tell me, oh, I'm ready to start investing, I'm ready to this, but the money is too much. This money is, can we get land of 100,000 naira? I say, we don't sell land of 100,000 naira. Okay, right now, we don't even sell land of 500,000 naira. Okay, the minimum land we are selling now is 1 million and above, except we start doing promo. When we do promo, maybe we can give discounts of 20%. We'll give you 800,000, 900,000. That's the minimum. We sell land as as high as 30 million, 40 million, 100 million. Okay, so for those, I'm just saying, those who want to invest, start small and everything. The minimum now is 1 million, except maybe you are doing promo. That's why you can see something cheaper than that. Okay, so but where will you get this money if you don't have any savings? There's nowhere. All right, so that's why it is important that you start saving. Start saving. Keep some money aside. Keep some money aside. That's the money you can, for example, when the MTN offer came out now, a lot of people wanted to invest in it, but they didn't have savings on ground. Okay, and now the opportunity is gone. Okay, so maybe the next time MTN will be selling their shares, it's going to be maybe 1,000 naira per share. All right, and they just recently sold it for 100 and something naira, and even gave you free extra shares for every 20 shares you bought. Okay, so start saving. Start saving. If you don't have savings, you won't be able to take opportunities that come your way. All right, something can come up tomorrow. Now somebody can say, oh, somebody can be in distress and need money and want to sell maybe one valuable property that is in a cashy location. It's everything just seems good about that investment, and then the person say, oh, this is the amount I want to sell this land, and then you're not like, hey, and I don't have money. How will I? Savings allows you to take opportunities that come your way. That's just what I'm trying to say. Okay, so that is number one, strategy in terms of what to do, how to get started with all of this. Okay, number two is take action. Everybody type take action. Take action. Take action. Type take action in the comment section right now. Type take action in the comment section right now. Okay, take action. It is very important. Some of us, we can plan forever and ever and ever and ever. Okay, you've been planning 2020, you plan 2021, this 2022, you are also planning again. All the plan that you have been planning, you have not implemented one. You have not taken a step on one of them. You have not taken action on any of them. All right, planning will help you, but it will not take you anywhere. It is action that will take you somewhere. Okay, it is action that will take you somewhere. Planning will not take you anywhere. It is only the actions you take that will take you somewhere. All right, my mentor used to say that business is like a wheelbarrow. Okay, it will not move if you don't push it. As simple as that. Okay, you need to start taking action. Start taking action. Start. So everything I've taught now, that I've shared with you now, some of you say, "Oh, wow, nice one. Ah, I enjoyed the class. Ah, oh, wow. Ah, thank you, sir. Oh, God bless you, sir. Ah, hey, oh, ah, preach, 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 preach on, preach on." That's it. Oh, that's the end. After this training, that's the end. Everything ended there. No action. Okay, that's what most people do, and that's why they are the same level where they are last year, last 2 years, last 3 years. Okay, you have to start taking action. Okay, so everything I've told you about the 3 areas to invest in: real estate, forex, and other people's business. You want to start looking at which one can I start now. Okay, which one can I start now? Oh, can I start with real estate now, or should I start with forex, or should I look at businesses around? Maybe I have somebody's business that is thriving and say, oh, can I invest in your business? Let's sign a contract. You pay me so profit every year if I invest in this business. Or what shares can I buy? Or what stock can okay? You want to start asking yourself those questions now. You want to start asking yourself those questions and begin to plan everything. I was already in 2022 since last year, October. Go and ask my wife. I was already in 2022. In short, I was even sending a broadcast one time. And the year I put there was 2022 because like I could not wait for 2022 to come. I was already in 2022 because I had already started planning and taking action instantly during those periods. So me coming to 2022 now, I'm not surprised with where we are now, okay? Because that's where I expect us to be. Okay, so start taking action. It is very, very important. Okay, if you promise to take action on all of these strategies that I've spoken about, okay, I want you to type I will take action. I will take action, or signify with a hand up emoji in the comment section. Type I will take action. 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 Type it in the comment section now. Type it in the comment section now. Yes, 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 yes. I will take action. Good, 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 good. I will take action. Yes, yes, yes. Fantastic, 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 fantastic. Okay. All right. So that is what we want to do because on this journey we are on in this year 2022, all right, my goal is to mentor as many people that I can and to take as many people as I can in this billionaire journey that I'm going through. This year, I will be a billionaire. I'm saying it already now. Screenshot it, record it, so that by the time I become a billionaire, you not come and be saying, all these people that used to do rituals, all these people that used to, this young boy, see the car is driving, see the house he has. Record me now, record me now. By the end of this year, I will be a billionaire. Okay, you can record it. All right, and in this journey, I want to take as many that will follow me. Okay, I'm tired of being a millionaire. I'm tired. I'm tired. Billionaire is the next level now. I want to take as many as will follow me in this journey to becoming a billionaire too. But it has to be people that will take action. I don't want people that will just be wasting my time. Okay, people that will take action. People that will take action. So, what am I going to do? This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to type my WhatsApp number again in the chat box. Okay, and I want you to send me a WhatsApp message. That's for those who want to go on this journey with me. Okay, because throughout this year we'll be investing massively. We'll be investing massively in this market, and we'll be thriving. Okay, but they are currently undervalued, and we'll be investing in it too. Okay, I'm on the journey together. So if you're interested in going on this journey with me, make sure to chat me up on WhatsApp. Okay, so it doesn't matter where you're watching me from YouTube, from LinkedIn, from Facebook, whatever medium you're watching with, make sure that you chat me up on WhatsApp. Only those who are interested. I don't want people that are not interested though. Those who are interested, okay? So I'll be showing you available properties that are yielding high return on investment that you can put your money on, and it will be safe, and it will keep increasing in returns in investment. All right. I'll also be showing you how you can invest in the forex market. Actually, the subsidiary of KSHOFX is that manages people investing in forex. So if you're interested in investing in forex and getting some returns monthly, all right. So we've not made it public all this while. So all this while I've been trading close to 3 years now. I've not done anything like this before. Okay, so I decided to we decided to make it available to everyone this year, okay, to give people an opportunity to invest with KSHOFX and then get returns on their investment every month. Or you are willing to learn how to trade yourself. So the two options are available. There's nothing we are hiding. Okay, you want to learn it yourself, we'll teach you. You want to invest with us, we'll also have that option available for you. Okay, and personally, I'm looking at other people's business that I want to kind of invest in, put my money in, that will give me returns on investment, on a regular basis. Okay, and we'll be doing that together, looking at businesses. In short, as a group, we can come together. Okay, if the business is a very large business, we can come together. I'll put in 5 million, somebody else puts in 1 million, somebody else puts in 100,000. Let me just say that so that you're not consider just saying million, million, million. But guys, million is nothing now. It's billion we are dealing with now. Billion. Somebody say billion. Okay, let it billion. Your mouth will be doing billion. You cannot say it. Say billion. Type billion in the comment section now. Billion. That's what we're saying in this 2022. No more. What is million, million, million in 1 month? You just say that cannot even invest in anything reasonable again. Okay, but that doesn't mean that if you don't have up to million naira, you can't still work. You can start with the forex trading investment, use that to multiply your money, grow it, and then from there you can now start thinking of investing in other areas. Okay, so if you have any question, please drop it in the comment section right now. Let me take your question before I end this training. Okay, so tomorrow by 12 o'clock, we're going to be having another live session. Okay, so in case you don't know, as much as I can, I won't say every day, but as much as I can, I'll be trying to come up, twice in a day, meaning doing two live videos in a day. And in these two sections, one will focus on, technology, digital marketing, branding, all of that. And then the other part will focus on investment, okay? Making money, multiplying money, managing money, and all of that stuff, okay? Because this year, we must make money, okay? I'm not saying as many billion I want to say in the comment section. Some of you have not typed your billion. I say you type billion, you are not typing billion, okay? You cannot say with your mouth. You cannot say type it again. You have to start seeing it. You have to start seeing it. Type in billion. The whole comment section should just be filled with billion, 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 billion now. Okay? Let it become part of you. Don't be scared. Start typing it now. Start saying it now. Okay? That's how you become it. Okay? So once again, if you have any questions, drop in the comment section. I want to round up the class now. If I don't get any question, I'll just close this up, and we'll see tomorrow by 12 p.m. and by 2 p.m. So I want to be doing 12 p.m., 2 p.m., 12 p.m., 2 p.m., 12 p.m., 2 p.m. So anytime you see that I'm live, okay, make sure that you join in. Okay, make sure that you join in. Those of you that are coming in late, the replay will be made available on the platform where you are. If you're on YouTube, you can watch the replay on YouTube. If you're on Facebook, you can watch the replay on Facebook. If you're on LinkedIn, you can watch the replay on LinkedIn. And those of you that missed the session we had 12 p.m., you can also watch the replay. So just scroll down after this, class. You can scroll down on my page, wherever you're watching from, and you'll be able to see the replay of the session we had 12 p.m. We spoke how to avoid hacked and scammed in the year 2022. So we talked about some security tips that you need to know and understand to prevent your account from being hacked or to prevent you from being scammed online. Okay, so you want to make sure you check out that video. All right, check out the replay. It's in the same place you are watching it right now. Okay, so I'm not seeing any question in my comment section for now, so I'll be ending this video soon. Okay, I'll be ending this video soon, so make sure you chat me up on WhatsApp so I can help you to get started with investing in real estate, forex, and other people's business. Okay, thank you so much. My name is Gabriel Showale, Africa's most sought after digital marketing account, and I'll see you guys tomorrow by 12. All right, peace out.
What's up, everybody? My name is Gabriel Show, and you already know, aka K Show.
Oh my God, correct.
Okay, guys, so today I want to talk to you guys about the Adobe Masterclass. In this training, you're going to be learning graphic design, video editing, and motion graphics. You don't want to miss this training for anything. We're going to go on a short break right now. Come back, we're going to talk about testimonials from past students of Adobe Masterclass. Keep it locked down. Welcome back, guys. So right now I'll show you testimonial videos of the past students of Adobe Masterclass.
Wow, it's been 5 days of training at Adobe Masterclass
And it is mind-blowing. Just take my word for it.
I'm blown.
I came all the way from Ghana.
I've learned a lot.
From graphic design, video editing,
Motion graphic.
If you are still contemplating if you want to come or not,
Not dull yourself.
It is worth much more than the amount I paid.
He's a good teacher.
Cashew Concepts is just the best. Thank you.
Wow, amazing testimonials right there. So if you're interested in joining the you want to visit the link right now in the description. Class. See you guys. Bye for now.